Welcome back, guys. Before we proceed, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel, EO so I can be dropping more videos like this one. Okay, in this tutorial, I want to teach you how to
I want to teach you how to make someone an admin on your WhatsApp channel. First of all, you open your WhatsApp, click on channel. After creating the WhatsApp channel, on top of the channel where you have your channel name, click on it. After you click on the channel name, this is the interface. You scroll up. After scrolling up, you see invite admin. Click on invite admin. When you click on invite admin, you select your preferred admin from the list of contacts you have on your WhatsApp. You can as well type in the name or you scroll. Just scroll through, then pick your preferred admin. After selection, you send invite or edit the invitation. You can select up to 2 or 3 admins per WhatsApp channel to help you manage it. The purpose of selecting an admin for your channel, just like on Facebook page, is for you to be able to have full access to your WhatsApp channel should in case you log out of your WhatsApp or you change your smartphone. The admin invitation helps you secure your WhatsApp. Thank you guys, that's the end of it. If you enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe. Boom guys.